Are your key storage provider, KSP apps, crashing due to the Ncryptprov Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for Ncryptprov Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Ncryptprov Library, the Microsoft Key Storage Provider, KSP library. It implements unmanaged routines for the Cryptography Next Generation (CNG) framework. This module manages the secure isolation of cryptographic keys and facilitates the hardware-level handshake between the Windows Security Kernel and Trusted Platform Module (TPM) manifest for certificate-based authentication. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Ncryptprov belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Ncryptprov library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Ncryptprov Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Ncryptprov Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Ncryptprov Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.